Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be doing a little bit of vacuuming the pool. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before and after, and I'll guide you guys through how we vacuum an in-ground pool. Come take a look and see what it looks like right now. See all that green in there? We got to vacuum all that out. It's not as bad. It's been bad in the past, so it shouldn't take too long. I already have the hose and the vacuum in the pool. Gotta clean out the filters. They don't look too bad actually. Got the chlorine ducts. I had everything preset here already. I gotta clean that out. Take all that out so it doesn't get all clogged. Gotta pick this up with the skimmer soon. And let's get working, guys. Start by taking this out. And down there, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a cover right there. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but you gotta cover that so there's more pressure going through the hose when you're vacuuming the pool. Put that cover on there. On to the next one. Step this to the side. I gotta redo everything again. This over here. We'll have to put this back, and this one has a hole down there too, but on this one we don't put the cover on. This one we need to keep open so the hose sucks through and goes in the vacuum into the tank. And the wind blew the cover down there, so I'm gonna have to get that with the vacuum. There's a lot of leaves here. I gotta look for this. All right, I got a skimmer. We're gonna have to skim this pool before we do anything. We have to extend the hose all the way out. gonna have to put this hose in the water though. All right, let's go. It's the fun part. Let the fun begin. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna get up the skimmer. Clip it. Another attachment. All right, we got the skimmer now. Now we're just gonna skim the pool. Alright guys, it's vacuum time. I already went through with the skimmer. Probably might have to go over it again once I'm done with the vacuum. I'll be honest, this sun is freaking beaming. Temperature 80 degrees though. And I'm pretty sure the UV is up there too. I'm sweating bullets. Alright. Now this is the fun part. Now with this, I have to put water in the hose. So I'm gonna put you guys over here because I'll end up back over here connecting this. Be right back. Hose in as I go. Hose is in. All right. Let's get going. Put the hose in. You gotta fill it up. This right here is how you fill the hose up. Fill it in, fill the hose in. You have to make sure you keep the tip underwater and not get air in it. No air pockets. Over there it's lifting up, pushing all the bubbles, all the air out. Bubble up. guys at the moment. Because I'm holding this, I'm by myself. Almost looks good. We gotta keep tipping the water. This is the fun part. Take you guys with me. As you guys see the tip has to stay underwater as much as possible as I could. Now this is the fun part. There's a lot of leaves in there already. Now, this goes in here, where the filter's at. Alright. This is a tricky part, guys. A bit complicated. It'd be easier if I had somebody to help me, but I'm doing this on my own. Alright, I got it. Good. I'm so happy I started stuttering. Here we are, the pool is coming along. I just got this half. I did this whole part. I still got to do inside the filters. It is taking a bit time. It is time consuming. I mean, you want to own a pool like this, right? It's all work. It's coming along. Now the pool's looking a-okay. clean the sidewalk. It's a lot bluer than what it was before. Before it was green. Gotta start pulling everything out. And I have to backwash the pool, add water. Just go here. That as well I do last. So that's still all connected. Now I'll come here, turn the pool off. Alright, now that's set. Now we remove all this. It's kind of hard to do one hand. So, I'll close you guys down for a second. Take that out. That's out. Now everything else I gotta pull out too. Now it's time to pull this out, and I'll get back to you guys once we backwash and start cleaning this. And you see all that? That's all leaves. We gotta get that with the skimmer. Now we gotta clean this out before we turn the pool back on. Oops. Let's get this out. Somewhere. Dump it all out. All right. Now we go back to the spot over here where we had closed it before. Now we open it. That's how it stays. Put that back in. This one's in, pool's ready to go. Now we come back here. And you see here, guys, this is where you guys gotta pay attention. Now here, all right, here you got a backwash. All right, take this ball. Spin it. Be careful, you guys, not to break nothing. There you go. Turn the pool back on. Now, make sure. So we put it into backwash before. Now we put it back to normal. We had to wait for this to clear up till it turns clear. It was backwash in dirty water. I should have put it in the video, but I had a lot going on. I had to clear this out as well. It's clean now. Now we go back. And we're gonna put some of this on. It's called Big Splash. We put 3 scoops of this into the filter. Careful to do this stuff, man. Powdered water up. There's a third one. After that, cover it up. Let it do its job. Gotta wash up myself. And there you have it, guys.